Man, so finna take the Banshee out and try to test out these clutches, make sure that everything is good. I know it's gonna last, but we really want to get a good idea of what we're working with. Put it through the ringer today, and I know that it's gonna be an interesting vlog, man. So y'all just stay tuned. Finna go ahead and load this one up. Got a couple parts for this. I had to start taking them bolts loose. I can't remember what I did with it. So I should have left it alone. I can't remember. I gotta find that bolt real quick. I ain't even supposed to be messing with none of this stuff for real. And I'm gonna show y'all, I got the alternator and everything put together for the whatchamacallit. What I do with that thing, man? Let me go ahead, I'm finna throw y'all on time lapse and I'm gonna figure this out real quick. All right, man, so I finally get some time to record. This is what we coming with. That's Jeremy's right there. Yeah, man. Boy, got some stuff on there. Then this Pioneer got the 700. Got the big boy. We finna have some fun. And y'all know, of course, we got slime over here. Oh, man. Boots up in there. Finna get this gas, man. We gotta get $40 worth of gas, but that's it. Yep. Finna make that thing look really good. I'm gonna get 40 on this real quick. Jeez. All I know is that it got cold out of nowhere. It was warm yesterday. I wish we would have did this yesterday, but I just wanted to get it through all the gears, make sure that everything is straight. And I may just throw like a little snippet in here showing y'all kind of what happened when we tore up the clutches in it. But man, let me go ahead and start this truck back up, get some heat going because it's definitely cold outside. And yeah, man, I'm gonna throw y'all in time lapse. But y'all can see, man, we got the big boy trailer. You know what I mean? His gas tank and stuff over there. I think his bike is I'm certain he running a 2-stroke oil on his. I'll show y'all what I'm running on mine real quick too. I'll come back and I'll show y'all what I'm running on mine, my ratio and everything.
Walk like, talk like, move like juice. Walking like it, talking like it, moving like it, ooh. Big as like a motorcycle, jumping out the roof. Smoking like a, drinking like a, roaming out the roof. Walk like, talk like, move like juice. Walking like it, talking like it, moving like it, ooh. Big as like a, motorcycle, jumping out the roof. Jumping out the, hopping out the, evacuate the truck and then I get into a demon. You know I'm about the water, I don't really need a reason. I was at the bottom with the bloods, I was anemic. I don't wanna talk about it, way too hot, it ain't the season. Staying low key, where's luxury, have you seen them? Got me looking like I'm out about it, fun is my demeanor. Here at the location and I'm getting out the leaner. I ain't doing no complaining, I'm just trying to get the beamer. Trying to get the back up when we popping out the show. And I only act that when we putting on the show. Cooking up the product, then I put it up for show. Better pay me like I'm Kirko, I'm a whipping with the dough. Hands so tight, I'll cut the baiting when I flow. Even when I'm in the dark, I still can manage with the glow. Haven't given up because my flag is on the pole. This is just another lover, ex Mario, you know. Sneaking in the building and I'm climbing out the window. Got no baby mama, but I hit a couple widows. Love me when I'm down, but it's hate when I get sendo. Don't be in the back because I'm black and got the stilo. Promising you're never gonna be another me though. I can help win some rings even when I'm getting zero. Don't 30 heat, King James, you a hero. Trying to do as Romans, everybody can't be Nero.
This is my 1988 Honda TRX 250R. I'm sponsored by DMR, CPI, Mod Quad, SMR, SPR, and DRW. Yeah, I got some good sponsors, man. Really proud of them. I got to thank them all for all the little bit of work they put into to help me build this bike. This has full billet cases from Mod Quad. It's got a CPI's new Toiger cylinder. It's a 293 with a custom hand-built SMR pipe. We got Brigard A-arms on it, Lager swing arm, full Lone Star axle, and then it's Elka shocks, but it's been redone by SPR, and then full DRW skid plates. This is the bike I've been racing for the last 3 years at the Texas 4 Series, and she's done pretty damn well.
Man, beautiful bike. I just know the other day you hit it for me, and man, that thing broke loose.
She's peppy. She's peppy. My little 4-stroke killer.
Yeah, man.
Yeah, we'll see.
Hey, you got the mic on, so you already say what you got.
Yeah.
It seems like you got a lot going on with your bike as well.
I got a little bit going on. Got the 2020 Raptor 700. Pretty mild XC build, I'd say. But we got the long travel front suspension, Hauser. Put 450 shocks on it, rebuilt, revalve, and everything.
My 450s though, man. That just seemed like a kind of a crazy little combination.
Yeah. 450s have the bigger canister, better spring rate, longer travel. So went with that for the XC. The 700 stock suspension's pretty good, but I had to get that upgrade. Beat his ass.
Yeah.
We're gonna find out. We're gonna find out.
Hey man, what you gonna tell us about your bike, man?
Jeremy's been the one to tell you, honestly. I'm just a weekend warrior.
Yeah. Somebody gotta give me. I gotta give a rundown of everything that's in the lineup.
This is a 2004 Raptor 660. It was originally my bike back in high school, and Luis wanted to take it over.
660.
Yes.
Okay.
It currently is. Currently is a stock 660.
Too,
It's got White Brothers exhaust on it. We've got extended axles on here. And I believe we got like a Pro Design air intake on it, but it's pretty stock for the most part. You just can't be reliable on these old 660s. But we got some more upgrades coming soon for this bad boy, and we're going to step the game up.
Man, I'm trying to give everybody a good walk around. It's going to be cool. I forgot my GoPro though, man.
Oh, shit.
Did you do anything? You said so you looking for me. What's inside your motor though, man? You do any upgrades on it?
David?
Oh, no, stock bore, stock cylinder, stock piston too. I have a stage 2 cam in it.
What's your steering, man?
Steering, I got the Hermosi 720 anti-vibe clamps, custom steering stem from DRW Suspension, which I should shout out. Sponsors DRW.
Yeah, we got to shout out to him, man. All these custom bumpers he's done built us on these bikes are beautiful.
Built us these custom bumpers, number plates, everything, skid plates on the bottom.
Okay.
He also does a lot of fabrication, so he built this custom steering stem for me.
Because that's what I was looking at, and that's why I'm like, because I know he got flex bars on and stuff
Yeah.
his, and I'm like, I don't think I'm ready to go flex bars yet.
Well, I've never tried them, so I can't speak on them, but I know these bar clamps allow for all 360-degree movement, back and forth, side to side, up and down, everything. So I've been really enjoying those. But yeah, the motor, I got a stage 2 cam, intake, Yoshimura exhaust, Vortex ECU with custom dyno tunes.
I know you wasn't just giving me the full rundown. Like, cause I'm saying, when I pulled up, I was like, uh-oh, there's gonna be trouble. We catch him out there. Good thing is you with us, cause sometimes people be being so inconsiderate when you be in these type of places, man.
Oh yeah.
I'd rather be with the, hey, we got a crew, guys. So people ask me like, I don't go rednecks, paychecks, and different little events and stuff like that. And I say, cause I ain't got a crew to go with. I ain't finna go to all these crazy, you know. I do want to go to the Sand Wars though.
Yes.
Everybody keep on asking about the sand.
Definitely Sand Wars.
Man,
Yep.
Yeah, we were trying to make it out there last year, but we ended up not being able to make it. We had a bunch of stuff come up, but we're trying to get together to go this year.
Hey, I showed you that dude scooting before. Skilled.
Oh yeah, they got the Banshee. Yep.
All the bands, all them crazy Banshee drag racing. What's going on here? I appreciate y'all, man. We've been having a good time. Starting them all up. I'm closing the time now. So let's get some good footage.
250, y'all got him.